I'm John Kalish, and for the last couple of years, I couldn't sit in the car more than an hour, maybe 2 hours, but I had to get out. And yesterday, coming back from Tucson and down in Yuma, Arizona, I sat for 7 hours coming back, and it was a miracle I could sit. Doc, it's wonderful, fantastic to sit that long. My butt would start hurting from the sciatic and come all the way down to my ankles, and it's a miracle that I can sit. It's wonderful. You would know how much I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you.